Hey guys, we got a green signal on NS right now. It is green signal there. I'm not sure. What he's gonna do. He's turning on the engine again. Oh. That's about as light as the bright. That's about how light the bright is. Well, hey guys, Jaden the Train Watcher. It's about 2 in the morning now. Yay me. Just stopped. NS right here has been stopped for the last. I think he's been changing crews, but he's been sitting here moving around for the last hour. All right, guys. Signal is green, so he is good to move. I'm not gonna worry about that. Hey! Cool engineers. Say what's up. The conductor, no, the engineer got out of his seat, waved. Pretty stinking cool, man. Watch him trip the signal. There we go. That's what I've been looking for. It's for him to trip the signal. I always like to wait till they're completely out of sight, out of mind. Cool freaking engineers. Freaking love engineers like that. Like, those engineers were something, man. The engineer got out of his seat just to wave. And the conductor is like, "What's up?" That was probably one of the coolest experiences I've ever had with a railroad engineer and conductor. I've had some where the conductors or engineers completely adjusted and got out of their seats, stuck their whole head out the window and just to wave. The engineer got out of his seat, waved, and conductor put his head out the window and said, "What's up?" That was freaking awesome. Anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys never miss an upload on Jade and the Train Watcher. Until next time, I'm Jade and the Train Watcher, signing off from Marion, Ohio.